Hello everybody. Let's see how to get a sorted subject wise marks from this combined sheet. So this is an Excel sheet which we have received from our test coordinator. Let's delete all those entries which you think are relevant. So I'm deleting email address as well as marks of the students. Then roll number I require. Okay, then I am deleting all the answers mentioned by students for the subject which doesn't belong to my subject. So I am deleting up to here. Then once again after TCS there are answers of networks. So I am deleting remaining all entries, all columns. So now here the sheet consists of answers mentioned by students only for my subject. Now I will be copying here the correct answers of my subject. So I will select correct answers of all these questions. I will copy it here. Okay, so here are the correct answers of my question. Now to count whether the students has attempted a correct answer or wrong answer, I will set a formula here. So I am copying a formula and I am pasting that formula in this Excel sheet. So my formula is this: if D1 is equals to L1, write 1, else write 0. Now what is column D1 and column L1? So maybe here I will need to do a little bit modification. No, it's sufficient. Column L1 is the correct answer and D1 is the answer attempted by student. So that is correct. So I am doing this for only first row. Then I need to count here how many correct answers are given by student. For that I will be writing one more formula here, that is this. So I will be writing here, I'm pasting here formula. Count if T1 to AA1 is equals to 1. So this is column T1. From T1 I am counting till column AA, and I am counting total how many ones are there. So in this column there are, or in this particular row there are 3 ones. So I am getting here the addition as 3. Now what I will do, I will select all these entries and I will simply drag these entries down. So at the end I am getting the total marks for my subject for each of the student. Now I am not interested in so much jargon, so I will do control A. I will do control C to copy all. I will open another sheet and I will paste only values. So once again the same data is copied in this sheet, but now I am not interested what was the answer given by student. I am not interested what is the correct answer. I am interested only, I am interested only in the total marks received by students. So I will delete all these entries. I will need to do delete so that all columns will get deleted. And at the end I am getting roll number, name. Again I can apply sorting here. So I will apply sort smallest to larger, expand the selection. OK. And I am getting this final Excel sheet consisting of division, roll number, names and marks of my students. Once again, this is a mixed sheet which is coming. So what I will do, I will simply select first column. I will apply division wise sorting here. Now I am getting data of division wise. Again, if I am not interested in division B and C students, then simply I will select all these entries and simply I will delete it. Now I am having only data of division A student for the TCS. So again I will select a column, I will apply sort smallest to largest, expand the selection, sort. So now I am having the roll number wise data of the students with the marks of my subject, that is TCS. Let's apply here border, and that's the easiest way to get marks of respective subjects. Thanks for listening.